What's going on everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're just going to take a look of the newly redesigned Android P recent panel for the Samsung Galaxy devices running Android Oreo. So guys, let's start. So when you are on the recent panel, you can see something like this, which is like the iPhone X or the Vivo smartphones out there in the market. So if you click on any app, it opens the app and the recent is really much more smoother, you can see, and a blurry background, almost blurry, I'm not saying that it's blurry, and you will find a lot of options if you click on the top of the app. So you can just hide the content if you want from your recents. That is actually a really great feature, and you can see it is actually really smooth. You can swipe up or either swipe down to dismiss the recents app. So just swipe up, yep, and swipe down, yeah, it just dismissed the recent apps. And guys, double tap to go back to the previous app also works. You can see with a pretty little small animation which is look kind of buggy, yeah, but yeah, it still works. You can see a double tap to go to the previous app, yeah, it's working. So guys, to get the newly redesigned Android P recent panel on your Samsung Galaxy devices, so I just gave you a link in the description below. Just download that application, and what you need is in Galaxy devices running Android Oreo. Let me show you that I have a Galaxy S8 which is running Android 8.0. So I will put the link in the description. As always, just simply download the app and just install the application and open the app, and you will see that, let me show you, just simply open that application and you will have the newly redesigned Android P recent panel. Let me show you, yep, here it is. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time.